Alright folks, let's dive into some breaking news from the world of UFC. This is something that has caught everyone off guard and has significant implications for the upcoming event. Derrick Lewis, the knockout artist, has officially withdrawn from UFC Edmonton. This is a major development considering his reputation and the excitement surrounding his fights. Now this isn't your typical weight cut mishap. It's not the usual story of a fighter struggling to make weight and having to pull out at the last minute. It's being reported as a non-weight cut related medical issue. This adds a layer of complexity and concern, as it could be anything from an injury to a more serious health condition. So what does this mean for the card, and what's next for the Black Beast? The implications are far-reaching, affecting not just the event but also the heavyweight division. First off, I know what you're thinking. This is a huge letdown for fans who were eagerly anticipating his fight. Derrick Lewis was set for a major showdown. The anticipation was building, and the promotional material had everyone buzzing. Fans were hyped, the atmosphere was electric, and then, bam, this news hits. It's disappointing, no doubt. The energy in the arena was palpable, and now it feels like a balloon has been deflated. But let's break it down. What does this mean for the event, and for Derrick Lewis himself? Medical issues in the UFC are no joke. These athletes put their bodies through extreme conditions, and health concerns are always taken seriously. Fighters train their bodies to the brink. The physical and mental toll is immense, and sometimes, despite all precautions, things go wrong. And sometimes, things just go sideways. Injuries and health issues can strike at any moment, derailing even the best-laid plans. The specifics of Derrick's issue haven't been disclosed. This leaves a lot of room for speculation, but it's important to respect his privacy. But if it's serious enough to pull him from the fight, it's something we have to respect. Now, let's talk implications. What does this mean for the event and the fans? UFC Edmonton just lost one of its biggest draws. This is a significant blow to the event as Derrick Lewis was a major attraction. The Black Beast is a fan favorite, known for his explosive power and knockout highlights. His absence will be felt deeply by fans and the promotion alike. The promotion now has to scramble to either find a replacement or reshuffle the card. This is no small feat, especially with the event date looming. And with the event right around the corner, that's no easy task. The logistics involved in finding a suitable replacement or rearranging the fight card are daunting. For Derrick, this is a setback. He's a warrior, no doubt about it. And this will be a tough pill to swallow. He's a warrior, no doubt about it. His fighting spirit is well known, and this will only fuel his determination to come back stronger. And you can bet he's as frustrated as we are. But health comes first. It's crucial for him to take the time he needs to recover fully. We've seen fighters rush back too soon, only to face longer-term consequences. It's a risk not worth taking, no matter how eager one is to return to the octagon. So, while it sucks, it's the right call. Prioritizing health ensures a longer, more successful career in the long run. What's next for Derrick Lewis? The road to recovery will be his primary focus for now. Well, recovery is priority number one. He'll need to follow a strict rehabilitation program to get back to peak condition. Once he's cleared, the UFC will likely look to rebook him as soon as possible. Fans will be eagerly awaiting his return to the octagon. The heavyweight division is stacked, and there's no shortage of potential matchups. Derrick Lewis will have plenty of options when he's ready to return. But let's not forget, this is Derrick Lewis we're talking about. His charisma and fighting style make him a unique figure in the sport. The man who said his balls was hot and gave us some of the most memorable moments in UFC history. His personality and candidness have endeared him to fans worldwide. He'll be back, and you can bet he'll be gunning for a knockout. Alright, that's the scoop. His return will be highly anticipated, and fans will be counting down the days. Derrick Lewis out of UFC Edmonton due to a non-weight cut related medical issue. This is a significant update that will have ripple effects throughout the UFC community. It's a bummer for sure, but the fight game rolls on. The show must go on, and the UFC will continue to deliver exciting matchups. Keep an eye out for updates on the card and Derrick's recovery. We'll be following this story closely and bringing you the latest news. Thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more UFC news and updates. Stay connected with us for all the latest in the world of mixed martial arts. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep supporting your favorite fighters.